gon' know what love is. If you gon'
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Forever Mimi, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to catfish. Yes, so I'm just taking my concealer and I'm going to be using this as a base for my eyeshadow to make sure it pops, okay? And I'm just putting that all over my eyelid and I will blend it through. Next, I am going to take a light brown shade and I'll be using this as my transition color. A little tip from me guys is to always start with your transition color. Your transition color is the lightest color that you're going to use with your eyeshadows that you've picked. I find it easier for me to blend the darker color that I'm going to use to the light color. Now I'm taking a darker shade of brown and I'm going to be applying that in my crease. Now I am cutting my crease. You can go as slowly as you want. Just make sure that your cut crease is seamless and they both look alike. They should be sisters and not first cousins. You know what I mean? So now I use a white shimmer for the inner corner of my eye. So now I'll be taking my neon pigments. I actually forgot where I got these pigments from, but then if I remember, I'll put them in the description box for you guys. Then I take the same dark brown shade that I put on my crease and I just put that on the outer corner of my eye. So now I'll be putting on my lashes. Tip, always start with your mascara when you want to put on your lashes. It will help your fake lashes blend with your real ones. And guys, make sure that your glue is tacky before you apply your lashes to your eyes. You can do this by waiting 20 to 25 seconds before you apply them. And I use the Kiss lash glue. I find that it is very good. It sticks on when it sticks on, and she really is the girl she thinks she is. Next, I'll be using my Fit Me foundation. I am the shade 335, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. Guys, I forgot to use primer. I know, but then I forgot. So I would use primer before I put on the foundation. I love this foundation, guys. It is very lightweight and it's sheer. If you're a girl that doesn't like the full coverage type of look, this is the foundation for you. It's very sheer and lightweight, and it's very affordable. It's 110 Rand at Clicks. So with this look, I want the full coverage look. So I'll be layering my foundation with the Rimmel London Lasting Finish foundation, and it will just give me that full coverage look that I'm looking for. So now I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just concealing my bags that are underneath my eyes. At this point, I was feeling myself. Period, Pooh. Now I'm gonna be using my dark concealer from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna be using that for my contour. Guys, a little goes a long way, and make sure you blend that out, please. Then I take my powder and I just set the concealer underneath my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. And I also make sure to put some powder on my smile lines and my brows. Next, I take my white liner and I line the waterline of my eye. Is it called the waterline? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I do that, and I do this while my powder is on. Then I take a small brush and I brush away the excess powder. I now take my mascara and I put that on my lower lashes. Now take your blush and apply that on your cheeks. So now finish off your look with setting spray. Now line your lips with a brown lip liner and add gloss. Now we are done with our look. I just added hoop earrings for the finishing touch, and yes, this is how the look turned out, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want, click the notification bell so you can see whenever I post. I really liked this look and how it turned out, and this is how I catfish. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.